You're spending money on energy drinks, coffee, and takeout because you're too tired to cook, but not spending money on the things that will actually fix your energy. This isn't a lecture on budgeting. No, that's not my angle. This is about understanding where your money is going and whether it's actually helping you or making you feel more tired or not healthy. Here's what most people don't realize. Being tired, it's expensive. Like, here's some examples. So you buy energy drinks instead of fixing the root cause. Right? Ordering takeout because you're too wiped to cook. Skip the gym. Well, it's just a wasted membership. And buying convenient food that just keeps you tired. Let's do the math. Your energy drinks, okay? Let's say you're having 2 a day at, say, $3.50 a day. That's $2.10 a month. Takeout, well, that's 3 times a week. On the low end, say $15 a day. It's $180 a month. Wasted gym membership, $50 on the low end, could be more. And impulsive buys, this one here, about let's say $100 a month. That's a total of $540 a month or $6,480 a year. And that number right there, that's the energy tax. That's what being tired costs you. Now, let's look at the cost to actually fix it. Here's what Andrew and I spend on a system that we've been following. High quality supplements, $100 to $200 a month, and that's for both of us. Whole foods instead of processed, well, that actually saves us money right there. Gym membership. It used to be $50 a month, then some things happened in the background and we decided to put that $50 a month into our own equipment. So that's $0 right now. And sleep tools, say things like blackout curtains and things like that, miscellaneous, one-time buys, $100. That right there totals you out to about $200, $250 a month. Less than half of the energy tax. Question isn't, can I afford it? The question is, can I afford not to? All right, I'm getting all fired up here. But okay, here's where people get stuck. They think they can't afford quality supplements, you know, the good food or the gym membership. So they buy cheaper versions, low quality grocery store multivitamins. Well, the problem with them is that your body they just can't effectively absorb the nutrients. Discount supplements and fillers. Well, that is what you're paying for, is the fillers, right? So you're kind of getting less, but you're still paying more. Then there's the health bars, you know, the ones that have the sugar and the seed oils. Just, again, more fatigue. When the results don't show, motivation just drops. And you're back to the energy drinks and takeout. Cycle continues. The solution? A system that's actually affordable and actually works. Here's a shift that changed everything for us. One source. Consolidate all supplements into a trusted system. Auto delivery wherever possible, or a monthly delivery system so there's no emergency orders that, you know, have to get put through. Better pricing. Cut out the retail, the middleman, if you can, and that'll save considerable amount of money. Consistent quality from the same manufacturer. Yeah, so that means that it's the same testing, the same results, and pretty much guaranteed that it's like the same people actually handling the orders. Our monthly cost dropped from $200 to $250 down to $150 to $180 a month. And remember, that's for both of us. Plus, it was better products, lower cost, and like zero hassle. Okay, here's the real shift. We stopped seeing wellness as an expense and started seeing it as an investment. Every dollar investment returns like 10 times more energy, productivity, and quality of life for us. Like the benefits of energy, I don't even know if I need to explain this, but let's just go over it anyways, because it's like you get better decisions because your mind is clearer. You save money on the conveniences because you're not grabbing the chocolate bars and the drinks and things like that for the quick fix energy. You actually use your gym membership, or us, use the gym that we've made in our own place. You show up for your family and you build that life that you want to build for yourself. That's not an expense. That's the best investment you'll ever make. If you're tired of wasting money on things that keep you tired, if you're ready to invest in what actually works, fill out the form in the description. Andrew and I will send you an overview of exactly what we use. The products, the cost, the source, everything. No BS, well, like nothing, just like straight up, here's what worked for us. Your second half can be better than your first, but only if you stop paying that energy tax and start investing in yourself. And hey, stay on your path. Appreciate you guys.